Today is July 24th, and late last night, the Cockroach Janata Party's account put out a video of a surveillance van of the Delhi police doing a live facial recognition scan and also matching the faces of protesters. This was actually from the journalist Ila Kazmi, and also separately, journalist Shrishti Jaiswal has also posted on Twitter and documented how mass surveillance is taking place. This has been augmented by fresh reporting in the Indian Express today, which describes a layered surveillance architecture in which there's a command and control center vehicle, there's a separate Ixana unit, there are nests of cameras and surveillance watchtowers. And all of this surveillance is being done in real time. According to the video grab of a protester on the protest site, a database is being matched. Firstly, we do not know where that information from that database is being pulled. Is it from your Aadhaar? Is it from your driver's license? Is this from your election ID? And we know the quality of these pictures quite often suffers. It's faulty, it's also biased and puts people at risk, because if you see at the very bottom of the row, not only is the name there at the top, but at the bottom there's an accuracy match percentage, and it's matching two pictures which may not be completely accurate. And hence, even if potentially the state's argument for 1 second is acknowledged that there is a risk to public safety, national security, or any kind of threat of violence, then there is a potential that a person may be identified incorrect. In 2022, the Internet Freedom Foundation went up to the Central Information Commission. I was able to get information from the Delhi police that it considers a 80% match between two pictures, which may be a live picture and one from the database, to be an accurate positive. Now, we do not know what's happened since 2022. So we have filed 4 fresh RTIs, and we've also sent a representation to the Delhi Police Commissioner calling this unconstitutional. You can check out these RTIs as well as the representation on our website. The first RTI is on the facial recognition system. The second one is with regard to the CCTV cameras, which are all over in different shapes, sizes. Third relates to then how is it AI powered, especially related to the Ixana van. And finally, then we are asking the details of the private contractors, even though to some extent we do know who has built the Ixana van, which is CP+. But at the same point in time, we do not know how much public money is going into it. What are the data safety protocols which are in place? Finally, I just like to leave you with the legal constitutional basis of this, which is completely absent. In 2017, the Supreme Court upheld and reaffirmed the fundamental right to privacy. This was a case in which I was lucky to be a part of. And it held that there needs to be a legal basis or authorization for any kind of privacy intrusion which is done by the state. And for a second, even if we presume that there is a legal basis to all of this, the Supreme Court in that very judgment said that any kind of surveillance needs to be proportional. Hence, by its very nature, what's happening right now is mass surveillance. The protesters are peaceful. So if you are actually gathering photographs and videos in real time and matching them against a database, that is a privacy intrusion. And the Supreme Court clearly said that even in a public place, our privacy rights remain. So this mass surveillance is unsanctioned by law, and it is completely illegal and authoritarian. This is why IFF has stepped up and taken action. We will keep fighting the good fight. Thank you so much for watching.